recording for that?
Yeah. Hello, Johnny Q Law. That's going to make it into the bloopers.
Right there.
Welcome back, guys. Another video. I'm headed over to my friend Ben's house in western Minneapolis. He drives a beautiful 20-something Porsche 991 first generation Carrera 4S. It's in white. It has the sport front bumper. It has carbon fiber on the inside. It is a very, very nice example of a Carrera 4S. He doesn't know it yet, but I'm gonna surprise him and we're gonna make a video. Well, at least he knows I'm coming over, but I don't think he knows that he's gonna be in an auto amateur video today. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Hey guys, welcome back. I am inside a 991 first generation 4S, and this is my friend Ben. Hey Ben.
Hello.
So Ben didn't know that he was going to be in an auto amateur video today. He thought he was just going to be hanging out with his mate James for a few hours, but you know,
Here we are.
So tell us a little bit about your beautiful car, Ben.
Well, it's a 2013 C4S. It's a gorgeous Carrera white. It's got a lot of carbon fiber, beautiful trim.
It does.
It's got a GT2 3S. I think it's a GTS front bumper, right?
Yeah, GTS, I think.
GTS.
Or the factory aero kit, right?
Yes, the sport design.
Yes, that's it. The sport
Bumper,
design
I
package,
believe.
yeah.
But the best thing about it is the laser shifter that has saved my ass 2 times already.
Uh-oh.
So yeah, this is new to me. It's a CPO. It's my second Porsche. I had a 996 C4. All right, so we're looking for Rollins down here.
Roland, I think it is.
Roland.
In fact, I think I know where we're going now.
Okay. James is doubling as my navigator.
I am. This is GPS, the Ginger Positioning System.
Did you just make that up?
I did, totally.
Nice. Nice.
Any excuse to get the ginger angle.
Exactly.
Ginger power.
They're after me, Lucky Charms. Oh, there's Roland.
Yeah, we're going to take a right here.
All right.
In 100 yards, take a right on Roland Road. You got English GPS?
Yeah, exactly. I feel like we should do like carpool karaoke or something. What should we sing?
Exactly. Is there anything that goes with Roland?
Yeah. I don't think so. I've never been down this way, so this would be kind of cool to check out.
So you are a winter 911 driver.
Yes. All-wheel drive, winter setup. I'm not shy. I'll take it out, regardless of the road conditions.
That's good.
And it works pretty well.
I feel like I've been missing out on a lot now because I've been a 911 owner for 4 years, and this is the first time I've put winter tires on the car and taken it out.
I'm proud of you.
What was I doing all that time?
Well, if it makes you feel any better, my C4, my 996, was an all-wheel drive, and I never took it out in the winter.
Oh, really?
Well, I mean, it had a lot of miles on it, and I just didn't feel like you know, having to service anything that
Yeah.
happened in the winter and
Yeah.
pay the insurance, you know. So yeah, I didn't do anything.
And how are you enjoying the Minnesota winters? Because you come from San Diego.
Yeah, I moved here from San Diego. I lived in Minneapolis years ago, but yeah, this one isn't so bad compared to last year. It helps to drive this thing around in the winter.
I was speaking to somebody in San Diego yesterday on a client call, and they were telling me it was 75 degrees.
You know what?
So upset.
That's actually cold for them. They're probably wearing like a down jacket.
So what are the 5 things you like most about this car? Is it the things you mentioned already? The sport bumper, the carbon fiber.
That's part of it. Let's see. I love the PDK when I didn't think I would. I've always been a manual guy. I'm still getting used to it. I mean, I haven't had the car very long, but I'm figuring it out. You know, I like the paddle shifters. Obviously, you know, puts me a little more in control.
Yeah, I love the paddle shifters.
And I wasn't sure that I would like the fact that this is more of a luxury sports car than I've been used to either in the 996.
Yeah.
But I love that about it too. Should we go on the lake or probably not? No, I'm not
It's
going.
probably not cold enough. But you can park right there and let's get the drone out and whip it around.
All right, sounds good.
All right. So, all right, Ben. So, quick stats. What does this car put out? How fast is it? How much torque? Do you know? Because I don't.
I'm like, 400 horsepower.
400.
Easy.
Okay.
Torque, I would be lying if I told you I knew what it was, but it's enough. It's
Okay.
enough to launch.
See, if this was Nick Murray's video, he would know.
Yeah, he would know exactly.
Everything. He would, and it's embarrassing.
Yeah, it really is. But that's why Nick is around, so
Yeah,
we don't
that's
have
right.
to remember this stuff.
Exactly. Good job, Nick.
Yeah. I would say though that God, 0 to 60, what is this, like 3.6?
It's got to be like 3.6 or 3.8.
Or is it 2.6?
No,
I know it's not 2.6.
I wish. That's like turbo GT2
That's
RS.
not even
speed.
launch control.
I know.
Yeah, it's pretty quick.
But yeah, I think it's either 400 or like 420 horses, something like that.
Yeah.
It's
prefer
below
420.
4 seconds. And there you go. I think let's say 420.
Yeah, right.
It's 420 people.
But right, but 0 to 60, I know it's not under 3 though.
No, less than 4 over 3.
It's fast.
All right, guys. This was an impromptu video. Thanks for being a good sport, Ben.
Thank you for having me, James.
You absolutely are very welcome. All right, guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Let's do it. Uh-oh.
Hey, band.
Let's not do it that quickly. Was it recording for that?
Yeah. Hello, Johnny Q Law.
Yeah.
Where's he?
Exactly. No, that might be a garage door or something sometimes. KA, you got to really be careful of.
That's going to make it into the bloopers.
Right there.